If you want to change lock screen clock on iPhone 17e, first of all we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings we need to scroll down a little bit and go to the wallpaper option. Now over here in wallpaper we should be able to tap on the lock screen, and now we can customize the clock quite easily just by tapping on it. So once you open this customization menu, you can choose a different font. In many cases you can adjust the thickness of the font as well. You can change the color, so you can pick your own color over here. I mean, you can choose one of these available colors, or you can go for the color picker and you can choose a color of your own. You can adjust the color further by using the sliders that we have at the bottom. And once you are done with the customization, you can of course just tap anywhere outside of it, but you can also remove the glass effect and switch to a solid font and solid color. And here in the upper left corner where we have this globe, this option allows you to choose numbers. So if you use different numbers, of course, then you can switch it up in here. And that's all you have to do. Remember to use done in the upper right corner. Leave a like and subscribe.